Hey everyone, my name is Kalsey Kulyk, and I am so excited to play the Calgary Stampede for the first time ever. I've heard about the Calgary Stampede since I was a little girl. My grandpa was in the rodeo. I've had friends in the rodeo, people from my hometown, and so to be able to get to be a performing artist on the Nashville North stage is honestly a dream come true. I've heard that crowd is epic, and so I cannot wait to play there. And this is going to be one of the songs that I'll be performing on that stage called Dontcha. Maybe you got me on your mind, think you might think about me all the time. Don't you, baby, don't you, baby. Trying to be a flower on the wall, paying me no attention at all, being cool. So I'll make the first move, that's alright. Make conversation, break the ice. You freeze right there, look kinda scared. Well, boy, I think that's cute. You're telling me you're gonna say goodnight. I see the truth hiding in your eyes. What you say is maybe, well, maybe you got me on your mind. Then you might think about me all the time. Don't you, baby, don't you, baby. I seen you around, boy, watching me. Took you long enough to buy me a drink, or maybe two. And I can hear the pounding in your chest, trying to figure out what happens next. Well, we could play it safe if you want to. You're telling me you're gonna say goodnight. I see the truth hiding in your eyes. What you say is maybe, well, maybe you got me on your mind. Then you might think about me all the time. Don't you, baby, don't you, baby. Don't you, baby. Don't you want to spend a little time with me? Don't you want to know where a kiss might lead? This is feeling pretty good, boy, don't you think? Don't you, don't you? You're telling me you're gonna say goodnight. I see the truth hiding in your eyes. What you say is maybe, well, maybe you got me on your mind. Then you might think about me all the time. Don't you, baby, don't you, baby. Well, don't you, baby.